All right, good morning, students. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today I'm going to be going over the personal fitness plan outline. Um, so for the directions, this will be the outline for your fitness plan project. Okay, so you must complete the sections listed below based on some research that you have been doing and what you have learned in class. So as you fill this outline out, this is what I want you guys to kind of think about, because this is essentially what's going to be on your fitness plan. So I want you to do some research, look at past lessons that we've done, and figure, okay, what is the cardiovascular endurance exercise that I want to incorporate into my fitness plan. Okay, so first kind of determine, for each section, what is the exercise that you're going to be doing. So what is it going to be? Your muscular strength exercise? What is going to be your muscular endurance exercise? What is going to be your flexibility exercise? Is it going to be, what kind of static stretch is it going to be? Okay, and so once you determine that, then I want you to kind of get specific. So what is it going to be? The frequency of my exercise, the intensity, the time, and the type, and then go in and fill in each section, okay, thoroughly as best as possible. And this is going to be the very foundation in which you complete your fitness plan project assessment. So if you guys have any questions still on how to complete this assignment, please let me know. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Take care.